how to create new signature in DocuSign. So first, go to DocuSign, and then you can just click on your profile here at the top right, and then click on Manage Profile. Okay, now once you're here on your profile, you can just click on Signatures here at the left side. Next is just click on Add Signature here, and then you can then choose among the signatures here available to use or to create. Or you can just draw your signature here and draw your initials. And of course, you can also upload your signature and then upload your initials here as well. You can just choose among the three, but whichever one you want to use. But as for me, I'll just use this one. So let's say I'm going to select this one at the bottom and then click on Create. And then click on Replace if you have another one here. Since I've already have a signature, of course, it would need to be replaced. So just click on Replace. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.